There is a song that echoes through the night. There is a morning star that welcomes in the day. There is a spark of hope that shines the sun again. There is a love that calls on the way. Oh, maybe you are the soul that fills the night. I'm feeling that your love leads the way. Indeed, I Christ, the gift of God shared today. You are that gift that sun guides our way. Mary was holy, mother of all. You are most gentle, humble of all. We are blessed to come as we offer our all to the Father Creator, to the Son of Redeemer, to the Spirit Consoler of Mary, Mother of all. Praise the Lord for the gift of your life. Praise the Lord for your faith that provides our hope, our strength, our dream of the world that is one in the name of the Lord. There is a song that echoes to